Hey everyone, want to build your credit score but worried about debt? You're not alone. Credit cards can be a powerful tool to build financial stability, but if used incorrectly, they can also become a fast track to debt. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can use credit cards the right way so you can boost your credit score without paying interest or falling into financial trouble. Whether you're a student, a young adult, or someone who's just starting their credit journey, this step-by-step guide is for you. So let's dive in and set you up for financial success. First, let's talk about why building credit is important. Many people don't realize how much a good credit score can impact their life. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's a key that can unlock financial opportunities. With a strong credit score, you can secure lower interest rates on car loans and mortgages, qualify for higher credit limits and better financial perks, build trust with lenders for future investments. A bad credit score, on the other hand, can make it harder to rent a home, get a car, or even land a good job in certain industries. The good news? You can build excellent credit without ever going into debt if you follow the right steps. Let's go over them. Not all credit cards are the same. Choosing the wrong one can cost you money in fees and high interest rates. When picking a credit card, here's what you should look for. No annual fees. This keeps your costs low. Low interest rates. Even though we're avoiding debt, it's good to have. Cashback or rewards. If you're spending money anyway, why not get benefits? If you're just starting out, consider a secured credit card. This requires a small refundable deposit, but helps you build credit safely. Some of the best starter credit cards include Discover It Secured Card, great for cashback rewards. Capital One Platinum Secured, good for low deposit. Chase Freedom Student Card, designed for students with no credit history. Once you have your card, the key is how you use it. Let's go over that next. This is where most people go wrong. They think getting a credit card means they can spend freely and just pay minimum payments. Big mistake. If you want to build credit without debt, follow these golden rules. Keep your credit utilization low. Never use more than 30% of your credit limit. Example, if your limit is $1,000, keep your balance below $300. For best results, aim for under 10% usage each month. Always pay off your balance in full every month. Never carry a balance. This avoids interest charges. If you pay in full, you build credit without owing anything. Pay your bill on time every time. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. Even one late payment can hurt your score for years. Set up autopay or reminders so you never miss a due date. If you follow these 3 rules, you'll build credit while avoiding debt completely. Credit building doesn't stop at using your card wisely. You also need to monitor your credit score to track your progress. Here are the best free ways to check your credit score. Credit Karma offers free credit score monitoring. Experian Boost helps improve your score with utility bills. Your bank's credit tracker. Many banks provide free credit score updates. Check your score once a month to stay on top of changes. Now let's talk about the credit card mistakes that can ruin your financial progress. Maxing out your credit card even if you pay it off. High usage hurts your score. Taking out cash advances. These have insanely high fees and interest rates. Applying for too many cards at once. This lowers your score temporarily. Closing old credit accounts. Older accounts help your credit history, so keep them open. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll stay on track and build a solid credit foundation. Want to boost your credit score even faster? Here are some pro tips. Ask for a credit limit increase. This lowers your utilization ratio. Become an authorized user. If a trusted family member adds you to their card, you can benefit from their good credit history. Use your card for small, regular purchases like gas or a Netflix subscription, then pay it off in full. Keep accounts open, even if you don't use a card much. Keeping it open helps your credit age, a key factor in your score. These little habits make a big difference over time. And there you have it. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to build your credit score without ever going into debt. Quick recap. Use your credit card like a debit card. Spend only what you can pay off. Keep your credit utilization below 30%, ideally under 10%. Pay in full, on time, every month, no exceptions. Check your credit score regularly and watch it grow. By following these simple but powerful habits, you'll set yourself up for a strong financial future. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Let's build your financial future the smart way.